Hey friends, today we're going to walk you through how to make our Toucan take-home kit. You want to start by looking at all of the things included in your kit. You want to set everything aside, your template, your glue-ons. You'll find your paints, your paint brushes, everything you need. We're going to start. You want your paper plate, get a pair of scissors. You're going to snip the corner of your paint and squeeze it onto your plate. We're going to get the green first. Going to cover the background. You want a nice solid green. It's a little mix of two colors in there just to give it a little depth. I'm going to cover the background nice and smooth. Once you get solid green, go in and just give little brush strokes up. It's just going to make it look kind of leafy, jungly. I'm going to give it a good dry. I have a couple thick spots on mine, so it's going to need a little bit extra drying time. Once it's dry to the touch, you want to grab your Toucan template, place it so the tail is right at the bottom of the canvas. Give it a trace with a pencil. You may need to trace a little dark so that you can see the pencil on this green. If you have a piece of chalk, that works well to see it a little lighter. Once you lift your template up, go ahead and draw a little line to separate the beak from the head, and then you're going to give just a little loop for the face, like a little letter C, and then come down and give a little angle for the belly. It doesn't have to be perfect, you're going to paint right over it. You just need enough to kind of give yourself a guideline. We're going to start with the yellow paint, so grab the pouch, snip the corner with your scissors. Squeeze it onto your plate. You're going to switch brushes. You're going to grab your small brush this time. I'm going to start with painting the face, the belly, and the whole bill yellow. Get a good nice coat. We're going to glue yellow on top of this, so it doesn't matter if a little bit of green shows through. I'm just going to go over it several times till I have a nice coat. If you want to do a couple thin coats and dry in between, that's perfectly fine as well. If you have a little one working on this project, sometimes it's easier if mom or dad helps give them the paint outline and let them fill in the middle. Once you're happy with your coat, you can go ahead and rinse your brush, dry it, and next we're going to use our black paint. Squeeze it onto your plate. Now we're going to work on the body. Again, same thing. Mom, Dad, you might want to give just a trace of an outline, but fill it in. If you go outside of your line, a wet paper towel, a baby wipe, anything, you can just clean up your edges really easily. Since we dried the green, as long as that black paint is still wet, just wipe around it and it'll clean it up real easily. Be careful around your yellow. If you want to dry your yellow first, that would help to keep it from blending, but since black's such a dark color, it's not going to matter. Separate your bill, give a dot as a placeholder for your eye, and then dry. All right, now we're going to grab the glue, and you need a very thin coat of glue on top of the black. We're using sand to cover the body, so sand does not need a ton of glue. You just need a nice thin coat, enough so that sand will stick to it. I'm going to go ahead and give the black line of the bill a coat as well. Got a little over the yellow, that's where I'm going to clean it up. Just sprinkle lightly the black sand on top of all the glue. If you have someone who likes to just dump the whole cup over, that's perfectly fine. Just shake the canvas around so that that sand reaches all of the glue. Once you feel like it's good and covered, you've kind of covered all your glue spots, give it a gentle pat down so it'll grab into the glue, and then lift it up, shake off the excess, and there you go. Next, we're going to grab our glue again, and I'm going to fill in the belly, not around the eye yet, because we're going to do a different color there. Get it nice and thick. I think I almost don't quite have enough glue here. You might want to do yours a little bit thicker. We're going to use a colored rice to glue in this, and you just want to make sure you have enough. The glue dries clear, so it's better to use a little too much than not enough. Get all around, leaving just kind of a circle for the eye. I'm going to fill in the top half of the bill, leaving the bottom and the tip open, because those are going to be different colors. Shake your rice on. You can sprinkle it, pat it down as you go. Just make sure it grabs into that glue. Just keep pressing. You can kind of shift it around once it's in the glue. Once you get a good layer of rice, shake it off. We're ready for the next step. All right, I'm going to put some glue at the tip of the bill. These are where our tiny red rocks are going to go. Get a good coat, since these little glass rocks are heavier. I'm going to make a little space to give him a red line at his belly. Just dab it right along. I'm going to do a little bit on the bill too. You honestly can decorate anywhere you want. Obviously, this is just a little suggestion. If you guys want to do some extra red in places, this is your project. Now line the belly, fill the tip of his bill. And do a little on this line. All right, now we're going to do the eye. I just put the black dot there earlier as a placeholder, kind of. I'm going to cover a nice blob of paint to a good rough circle. Then I'm going to do just a little light coat at the bottom to put some of this teal sand. We put the teal sand in a baggie. It's a little easier to sprinkle on to such a kind of precise location. So it'll be a little easier. At the bottom of your bag of pink rocks, there are some itty bitty black ones. Grab just a few, and that's going to make the bird's pupil. Let's see, there's 3, like 4 is perfect. If you want to make the eye a little larger, you certainly can. Just make sure you leave some glue room for the teal sand to go around it. You're going to snip off the corner of the bag, and you'll be able to sprinkle a little more precisely. Cover that. Just be careful you don't want to get it all into the rice, because that glue's still wet and that sand will stick everywhere. So give it kind of a quick tip over. There you go. All right, grab your stick. Find spots where your stick touches the canvas. Give glue, put a lot of glue going up to make your flower. Fill it up nice and thick. You can add glue, add extra rocks, and then we're done. And you have your toucan. Be sure to share your pictures, tag us on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks, guys.